Good day, everyone. Today, I want to talk about something that affects more students than we often realize: math anxiety. Not a lack of intelligence, not laziness, not inability, anxiety. As a math teacher, I've seen brilliant students freeze the moment they see numbers. I've watched confident teenagers suddenly doubt themselves when faced with an equation. And I've heard the phrase, "Sir, I'm just not a math person," more times than I can count. But here's the truth. There is no such thing as a math person. There are only people who have been encouraged and people who have been discouraged. Math anxiety is a psychological response. It triggers stress hormones. The brain shifts into a threat mode. Working memory, which we desperately need for problem solving, becomes impaired. So when a student says, "My mind goes blank during tests," they're not exaggerating. That's neuroscience. Now the question becomes, how do we address it? First, we normalize struggle. Mathematics is not about instant answers. It is about patterns, persistence, and reasoning. When students understand that confusion is part of learning, not proof of failure, their relationship with math begins to change. Second, we shift the language in our classrooms. Instead of saying, "This is easy," we say, "This takes practice." Instead of, "You should know this," we say, "Let's build this step by step." Language shapes mindset. Third, we teach process over performance. Too many students equate their worth with a test score. But mathematics is a skill pace, and skills are developed through repetition and correction. Mistakes are data. They are feedback. They are not verdicts. Fourth, we create low-stakes opportunities to think. When students can explore ideas without fear of embarrassment, something powerful happens. Curiosity returns. And curiosity is the antidote to anxiety. Let me share something important. I have seen students who once failed mathematics go on to pass with distinction. Not because they suddenly became smarter, but because they became more confident. And confidence grows when students experience small wins. So to every student listening today, if math makes you nervous, that does not define your ability. It simply means your brain has learned to associate math with pressure. And associations can be changed. And to fellow educators and parents, let's stop reinforcing the myth that math ability is fixed. When we say, "I was never good at math either," we unintentionally validate fear instead of resilience. Mathematics is not about speed, skills. It is not about memorizing formulas without understanding. It is about thinking clearly, reasoning logically, and solving problems. And those are life skills. When we help students overcome math anxiety, we are not just helping them pass exams. We are teaching them perseverance. We are building cognitive resilience. We are showing them that difficulty is not defeat. And that lesson extends far beyond the classroom.
Thank you.